When you travel by train, you are putting yourself in the care of the train company, the train operators, and the crew on board the train. You usually don't think about the things that can go wrong until something does. There are three primary types of train wrecks: collisions with other trains, collisions with cars or trucks, and derailments. These types of train wrecks can be caused by human error, mistakes behind the controls, guiding, driving, or loading the train, not following safety standards, speeding, fatigue, distraction, or faulty machinery, which can include anything from the train systems, engines, or connections between cars, or poor maintenance, failure to maintain the tracks, signals, or gates at railroad crossings. There's a lot going on after a train wreck. Here at James Scott Farrin, we have the resources, technology, and experience to help you with your train case. Our goal is to get our clients' lives back on track. Give us a call. We're here to help.